There are three main forms for the equation of a line. Standard form, ax plus by equals c, has a, b, and c that are all integers. Now this form is primarily used for giving you the equation of the line, or sometimes you'll be asked to find the equation in this form, but you're really going to have to use one of the other two forms first before you can get it to this. So we'll look at this last in order to convert from the other two. Now the other two forms are slope-intercept form. This is the equation y equals mx plus b, and you should recognize m as slope. And then the last one is point-slope form. Now this one's a little bit different, but it's y minus y sub 1 equals m, again our slope, times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So let's first of all look at slope-intercept form a little more closely. You'll notice here we have the equation y equals mx plus b. And as we mentioned, m is the slope. The intercept part of this name is because b is the y-intercept. Now you may ask, what's a y-intercept? Well, an intercept is simply a place where the line crosses an axis. You can see here this line crosses the y-axis, our vertical axis right here, and it crosses the x-axis right here at this point. Now this form doesn't use this point, that's what's known as the x-intercept, but you'll notice here I have this point here labeled as 0b, because since it's on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0, but the b tells us what that y-coordinate is. Our point-slope form, we already saw, is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Now, again, m is our slope, but the point part of this name, it's called point-slope form. The point is because these coordinates x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of any point on the line. It could be an intercept, but it could just be any point on that line. It doesn't matter where.